Hi everyone, I'm Mushtaq Hussain. Today I'm going to show you the features GoBrunch has. So we are going to explore all the main features of GoBrunch. So once you log into GoBrunch, so you will get this screen where you can start a meeting, you can create your webinar, you can watch events. Apart from this, you can see this icon over here. So here you can just create and watch. You can go to my page, you can go to my account, then you can get some support from GoBrunch team. Then you will find tutorials too. Then GoBrunch for business, then about GoBrunch and sign out. So these are the options we have over here. Now I'll just take you through start a meeting. In start a meeting, we have a number of examples, we have a number of features. For example, we can go for any number of seats. So here you can see 10 seats participants, 72, 36, 38. Then again you can go to next page. You can select 409, 120, 4. So you can select any number. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Then just click on to start meeting. Once you start the meeting, so you will find the same setup. So for example, if you are going to occupy this seat, so you just click on to this circle and you have already occupied your seat. So I'm going to put off my camera. So here you will find couple of instructions. For example, you can copy the link of your meeting. So copy and say OK, it will disappear. Here you can customize the name of your meeting. So just click on to customize and name your meeting. So this is how you can customize a name of meeting. Now rest of the features are, for example, if you have say 10 participants including you, so rest of the 9 participants will join over here and they can occupy their seats. Now this is one area, this is one window where you can chat with each other. Then here we have some features like you can turn on or start your camera so that you can see others or other participants can see you. Then you can put on your mic on or off. Then you can use this option mute. So if you if you select this option, then you will not be able to listen. Then you can share your screen. So again, this is very simple feature GoBrunch has. So here you can upload either PowerPoint a file or PDF presentation file. So I'm just going to select one random file from my desktop. So here we go. So I'm going to select this file. So it will get uploaded over here. So it might take few seconds to get uploaded. Again, it depends on what is the file size. So if file size is say 5 MB, 10 MB or little bigger, again it depends on configuration of your system too, but it might take few seconds. Now the file is ready to share in the form of screen. Now our file is ready. So how does it work? You just click on to that file. Now you can share your screen. So this is how. So you can make it large too. Then here is your presentation. Then you can go to next slide, next page. So this is how it works. So it helps us to share our screen and make our presentation using PDF file or PPT file. Then if you have any problem with your connection on GoBrunch, so maybe you can reconnect and you can rejoin the meeting. Then if you want to share some files, so you can click on to files and you can share the file with the participants. So these are the options, these are the features we have in meeting. Then let's explore some more features of GoBrunch. So for example, you can create your webinar. So maybe you can give description of your event. Okay, it could be conference, it could be webinar. So and again you can select one of the photos randomly if you wish. Then you can name your session. Then again here you have a number of options which you can select. Then which language do you want to select? English, African, Albanian, so you can select the language. Then whether it is private or public, so you can then you can enter DDMMYY date of your webinar. Then again you can select your zone. So here is the seating arrangement, so you can select any one of the seating arrangements. So we have two pages over here, so you can select any one of the seating arrangements. Then this is a breakout session, so even we can select this option. You can record your session. Then you can add other presenter too, so add another session, then add another session. So this is how you can add more number of sessions. So once that is done, then you can create your account. So since we haven't entered or selected local image, then enter name of the event, so it is not created, but you can select or enter those details so that you can create an event or you can create a webinar. So this is we have on create your webinar. Then finally we have got watch events. So for example, if you are going to just join the webinar or the event, then you must have received a meeting link or say webinar link, so you can use that link and you can join the webinar. So here you can see some webinars, so you can join them. So these are the features we have on GoBrunch. Thank you.